We're here with Josh Libby. And Josh, you're with Dan Zimmerman, right?
That's correct.
Josh Libby with Dan Zimmerman, major EPC. We're at the launch of the Lumi3. What do you think?
I think it's awesome. I just really love how fast they're iterating on the feedback they're getting from the community. They're talking to EPCs, they're talking to builders, and you can see right here already what they've done in a year. It's absolutely incredible.
I love it. I love it, Dan. I'm biased. Okay, I've been helping Jay make intros to EPCs for the last 2 years, but this is a major upgrade. The Lumi2 had to have a trailer behind it, right, for the electronics and the batteries. And now they've got that stacked up here on the back. So this is a major upgrade, one unit, obviously beefier. I could see this unit with a forklift on the back carrying a pallet, right? So when you think about automating solar construction though, where do you think Dan Zimmerman is in that? And yeah, just what are your thoughts about automation?
Yeah, I think one of the key factors that they've really dialed in here that really speaks to me and that we've chatted about before is how much they've dialed in where the panels are going to go on top of the racking and how they're doing that with sensors instead of on a specific racking system. The ability to pivot from field to field, whether we're using one racking system or another, one module or another, is going to be vital as we continue to grow and go from site to site and project to project.
Indeed. Anything else you want to say?
I just really want to thank you for the opportunity and have a great day.
Let's grow solar.
Let's grow solar.
All right, buddy.